Hey, it's MJ from Esquire, and today we're reviewing and unboxing the Oppo Reno5 Marvel Edition. So here, on top of the box, you can see the shiny silver Avengers logo. Underneath that, when you open it, you can see the 6 founding members of the Avengers in comic book-like panels. So we have Hawkeye, Hulk, Thor, Captain America, the legit one, Iron Man, and Black Widow. And then we have the sleeve for the user manuals, and on top of that we have the logos of the 6 Avengers. And then here we have the phone. As you can see, the design at the back, it looks like the quantum suit used by the Avengers in Avengers Endgame.
You lost friends. You lost family.
The phone features a combination of matte black and accents of silver and red. The icons on the original Oppo apps on the home screen have been replaced with icons depicting various heroes or items in the Marvel universe. There are also 6 different exclusive lock screen wallpapers to create a fully immersive experience for all Marvel fans. They also included a protective phone case designed in the iconic Marvel style of a red background printed with the original 6 Marvel Avengers, just like the one underneath the box. Then we also have a SIM card extractor pin with the Avengers logo. There is also an Avengers-themed wired earphones that has Iron Man and Captain America's logos on it. But if you're like me that likes Bluetooth earphones, these special edition Marvel ones will go on my display along with my other Marvel collectibles. So finally, we have the charger that has the Avengers logo on it, and also the red Type-C cord for this. Now that we've unboxed the Oppo Reno5 Marvel Edition, let's see how it performs.
Legacy of that shield.
Watching your favorite Marvel movies and shows like Falcon and the Winter Soldier are made more enjoyable because the front side of the phone has a 6.4-inch 90Hz AMOLED screen. It provides users with a clear and immersive viewing experience.
You don't want to do this. Yeah, we do.
Playing mobile games like Call of Duty feels smooth on the Reno 5 because of its 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. It's really a smoother and faster smartphone experience. The Oppo Reno5 Marvel Edition is equipped with powerful camera features. It has 44MP selfie camera and 64MP quad camera setup. These cameras come with smart AI features such as the dual view video, AI video highlight, and features perfect for night photography. Here are some of the shots I took with the Reno 5. You can easily juice up its hefty battery with its 50 watts flash charge charging technology. It only took me a few minutes to fully charge the phone.
Power at 400% capacity.
This is definitely a smartphone that can help you power through your day anytime, anywhere. And there you have it, the Oppo Reno5 Marvel Edition. Comment down below if you think this is a W or an L. For me personally, this is a huge W.
I see this as an absolute win.
The collaboration between Oppo and Marvel will surely please all Marvel fans out there. This is a must-have.